Okay, so this is the Ebac 2000 series dehumidifier. As you can see, it's a nice compact size. This indicates that it's on. When it needs emptying, there's a little red light appears. You just open it up, take out your tank, empty it, back in, away you go. To start it, you press the mode button, and this puts it onto high, maximum. The next setting is auto, so this adjusts itself accordingly to the weather, the temperature of the room, to keep your room on an even keel. The next is eco. This is when you've had it running for a couple of weeks and your room is dry. You put it on eco and it just kicks in as and when needed and just keeps everything running smoothly. Press it again, it's on maximum, and you can actually adjust this to turn it down, pressing that little button there. That is the fan. That is actually on low, but as you can hear, it's not a noisy machine. It's quite a quiet machine, so I don't think it would disturb anybody sleeping. All in all, a nice little machine. Clean looking, a good machine.